Welcome. Today we are taking you through setting up your folder structure, ready to import your files into AVID Media Composer. On the root directory of your hard drive, create a folder with the name of your project as shown. Within that folder, we create our 00 to 06 folder structure. Starting with 00, we name the folder 00_dailies. This is where your files, straight from your camera, are stored. 01_graphics. This is for animations, etc. I put my title and credits here also. 02_documents. This is for a copy of the script that was used during production, and your paper edit. Media files. This is where you store your AVID Media Files folder, when you are not editing this project. Projects. This is where your editing progress on AVID is stored. Exports. This is where you export your assembly and rough cuts to. Ready for test screenings. Master. After the color grading and all other final touches, we export the final deliverables to the master folder. 03_media files. Inside this folder, we create the folder titled AVID Media Files. When we are ready to edit this project, we move the AVID Media Files folder to the root directory of our hard drive, so that AVID can read it. Then, within this folder, we create the MXF folder, with folder 1 inside of it. The final pathway should look like this. Your storage device, the project name, 03_media files, AVID Media Files, MXF, and then 1. Wrap up your production, upload your files to the dailies and graphics folders, then you're ready to open AVID Media Composer. Happy editing!